Hello, I am Marwan Aburas. The biological criteria remained secondary in both 2010 and 2023, while the functional criteria address marginal integrity, interproximal space, form and contour, occlusion, and wear. The biological criteria emphasizes the harmful effect of not meeting or violating the functional criteria. It's all tied together. A key biological concern is caries at the margins. The criteria call it CAR, caries at margins, which results from plaque buildup and the damage at the interproximal col, gaps, ditchings, overhangs, all of that. Even a marginal opening of 50 to 100 micron is clinically significant because it creates a pathway of microleakage at the crown, bacteria colonization. All of that will penetrate the dentin, cause decalcification of the tooth structure first, and threatens the pulp. And if the pulp is vital, it may become inflamed or infected. And then the bacteria will continue descending towards the apex, leading to apical periodontitis. In cases if you have a root canal, the bacteria microleakage can break down the root canal seal and infect the root canal itself. That's even if it's a good root canal. What about a bad or inadequate root canal? Just imagine. So beyond the existing knowledge of biological criteria regarding the surrounding tissue, I am really concerned about the COL, C-O-L, zone with marginal adaptation is compromised. I've seen a lot of that. Restorations with marginal gaps, overhang, develop a chronic inflammation biofilm between the teeth. This promotes bone resorption, trabecular bone, not the cortical, and create a localized defect between the teeth. I call this entity the cold zone defect. I've seen a lot of cases because I have interfered surgically. The biological criteria of the 2023 standards urges us to look deeper than the margins and the surfaces. Look into the pulp, look into periapex, look in the old root canal, look in the periodontium, and recognize the signs of the cold zone defect which I described. All of that, again, increases the relationship, the biological and clinical, between endodontics and restorative dentistry. And that's the only reason why I have put together these separate presentation on the criteria, because I firmly believe in their importance to you when you're doing endodontics or when you're evaluating endodontics. Thank you for your attention.